Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for a link to my Amazon store where I've compiled some of the very best items available, including some of my own personal recommendations. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube? Middle Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This appears to be from Women Carry Knives. Check out Women Carry Knives on YouTube. That means it's most likely from the Apex Pass-Around group. So thank you so much to the Apex Pass-Around group. I really don't know what's in here though. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on one of these cool stickers and some other exclusive benefits, there is of course a link down in the description. Your support would mean the world to me. All right, let's go ahead and use the old scalpel here. Get into the box very slowly, very, with precision. And okay, we have some bubble wrap stuff. We have another Civivi, good deal. Very much like looking at new Civivi knives. Goodness. Zach, I've got so many of your stickers, buddy. Seriously. Here's two that are just happen to be, well, gosh darn it, that just happen to be up here. I'm gonna put these back in here for the next reviewer. Check out Zach's stuff. All right, let's turn the exposure up a bit so you guys can see what the heck you're looking at. And now, hold on a second. Is this the Asticus in Damascus? I can't remember. Darn it, Civivi. Well, of course, the unboxing title will say what this is. Boy, that is way bigger than I thought it was going to be. This is, hold on a second. Let me measure this. Wow, that is so, that is so much bigger than I, God dang, that is close. That's it's 8.75 inches overall. Wow, that is super cool. This is a very compelling knife from Civivi. I will leave links down in the description so you guys can check this knife out. Pick it up if you want to. I believe I saw that these come in both stainless Damascus and most likely D2 periodically. Civivi likes to use 9CR18 MOV, but I'm going to guess it's D2. I don't know. You can check the link to find out what the other one is. The other one will undoubtedly have a satin finish blade, and they probably come with different overlays. Ah, man, that is really cool. I'm so pumped that that knife is bigger. So I honestly thought this is going to be another knife like about this size. Another 7.75 inch knife or another 8-inch knife, which is great, but it's fun to see some, kind of like really, really large, like kind of, oversized knives from Civivi. Here, just so you guys can see real quick. I know I don't normally do this. Size comparison up against the Praxis. So there you go. The Praxis is a big knife. That's a big boy right there. Wow. Love that. Love Civivi's stainless Damascus. That is very, very cool. All right, guys. I think that's going to be just about it. I don't know that there's much more that I can say. It'll be fun to kind of play around with this and then give my full thoughts in the review. But yeah, that's going to be about it. If you guys enjoyed this short little unboxing, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.